Hello, welcome to Tekla Structures Designer 2024 training. And in this part, we are going to be dealing with basic file operations. All right. So to start with, we'll go to the Home tab. Now, after doing your settings, and your material settings, the next thing you want to do to start a new project is to create a new project. To do that, you can come to your Home tab and click on New, or go to your File and click on New. All right. So once you've done that, Tekla Structures Designer will create a new project for you based on your settings and your materials. Now, Tekla Structures Designer will create a default 3D view and a base plan view. If you come to the levels, you can see that only base is available. So only one level, one plan view and one structure view. All right. Now your project is not yet saved, so you would like to save your project. You either come here and click on Save, or go to your File and click on Save. All right. So you can type the name of your project. I'll call it TSD Training. So I will come here, I'll select Tekla Structures Designer project files, and I'll click on Save. I have a project like that before. I'll click on Replace. All right. So now my project had been saved. Once your project has been saved, the name of the project, will be written here, and the location of the project. All right. Now, what you would like to do after you've taken your time to do your settings and your material settings, according to your taste and according to your standard, the first thing you would like to do is to save these settings as a template, that you can use anytime you want to create a new drawing in Tekla Structures Designer. To do that, I'll come to the Home tab. So come here and click on Save As. All right. Once you click on Save As, you can save it as, this time around we'll pick on Tekla Structures Designer template file. So you can see other templates I've created already. You can type the name of the template. Let's say I'm going to be using UK. I'm going to be using UK TSD, Tekla Structures Designer, and I'll click on Save. All right. So now this my project had been saved as a template for me. All right. So anytime I want to create a new drawing now, I can simply come here, and pick the template. And I will be using all these settings I've labeled to make. All right. Now the next thing we want to do is to learn how to open a new project in Tekla Structures Designer. To do that, you can come to your file and click on Open, or you can click on Open on the Home tab. Locate the project you want to open. Let's say I want to open let me locate a project here. All right, let's say I want to open this glass factory. I'll select it and click on Open. All right, I'll just wait for a few minutes for Tekla Structures Designer to load the project. So you can see that's how easy it is to load the Tekla model. So now to close this model, all I need to do is to come to the Home tab and click on Close. All right. There's another way to open a new a model. Okay, you can come to the file menu. Okay, and look at your recent document list. Okay, there are always 9 of them, so you can easily return to your last project using this recent document list. Okay, I'll click on my training file that I just created.